Pro, a revolutionary step forward in Blackmagic's line of compact video switchers. While incredibly similar to the ATEM Mini, the Pro has some important features that set it apart from its predecessor. So let's take a closer look. The HDMI out port on the original ATEM Mini allows you to output program, preview, ISO camera feeds, media players, and much more. This remains the same with the Pro, but now you can also output a professional multi-view. What's great is you can even toggle your HDMI's output source directly on the Pro's surface. So you have your camera sources, your program, and of course now the multi-view. The multi-view lets you see all 4 video inputs plus preview and program on a single HDMI television or monitor. Each camera on the multi-view includes tally indicators so you know when each source is on air, and each view has custom labels and audio meters. You can also see the media player so you know what graphic is selected. Also on the bottom of the multi-view, you can see statuses for streaming and recording. These are also new features for the ATEM Mini Pro. Unlike the ATEM Mini, the Pro has a built-in hardware streaming engine for live streaming via its Ethernet port. With internet sharing set up, your computer can supply internet to the ATEM Mini Pro, and you can even use your computer's Wi-Fi connection to stream. Go into your computer's system preferences, find sharing, go down to internet sharing, make sure that that's selected on, and to computers using, make sure that you have your USB to Ethernet adapter selected, and you should be all set. In the ATEM software control, you can choose your service and input your stream key. Just go over to live stream, and you will have all of your settings for streaming directly in the program. You can choose the platform that you want. You have Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube. I will select YouTube. And I need to input my stream key. So if I hop over to YouTube and copy my stream key and go back to the software and paste my key in and select your quality, I'm going to select streaming high. Now I can hit the on-air button on the software, or conveniently, Blackmagic has put a streaming button on the Pro's surface. All I have to do is hit on air, and it will easily stream right to YouTube. You can now receive feedback on your stream status and health on the multi-view and in the software. In the software, there's also a section for recording your stream. This is because the USB-C on the ATEM Mini Pro can be used to capture a recording of your program directly to a flash disk. I have my Angelbird PKT SSD to go connected to the ATEM Mini Pro. Go into the record stream section and you can hit record. Also on the Pro's surface, you can record using the record button. Now I can record long H.264 files so I can directly upload them to any video site. The ATEM Mini Pro also supports multi-disc recording when using a USB-C hub or even the Blackmagic multi-dock. When a disc fills, your recording can continue to a second disc for non-stop recording. Another amazing feature included with the ATEM Mini Pro is its ability to communicate and control Blackmagic Pocket Cinema cameras. When connected to a Pocket Cinema camera through a single HDMI, you can now adjust ISO and tint, control iris, zoom, and frame rate, and you can even make color corrections using the dedicated color wheels. For my camera 1 here, which is the top-down view of the ATEM Mini Pro, I can adjust my lift, gamma, and gain. I can also adjust contrast, saturation, and hue. If I want to reset all of these settings, I can go up to the menu here and hit Reset All. With these connected pocket cameras, when you hit the record button on the software, you can also simultaneously trigger the cameras to ISO record in Blackmagic RAW. With an amazing new timecode generator, all these recordings, including your SSD recording, will be synced. You can select time of day, or you can also select your own time code, depending on your needs. As you can see, the ATEM Mini Pro hosts an amazing new set of features on top of the already amazing capabilities of the ATEM Mini. Since these two switchers operate very similarly, if you're looking for a full tutorial to get started, check out our other video linked on the screen. For more information regarding this product or any of the Blackmagic products, you can also check out our website at onesourcevideo.com. Thank you for watching.
So you can focus on your passion. Start your free trial today at honeybook.com.
Today we're talking about the Blackmagic ATEM Mini Pro and what this one does that the original did not.